Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send Tether, USDT, from Kraken to Robinhood in 2025. If you're into crypto and want to move your assets seamlessly, this tutorial is perfect for you. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Kraken and Robinhood, and that you've verified your identities. Security is key in the crypto world. Also, double-check that you have enough USDT in your Kraken wallet to cover the transfer fees. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Head over to the dashboard and navigate to the Wallets section. Find your USDT balance and select the Withdraw option. You'll need to enter the destination address, which is your Robinhood USDT wallet address. Pro tip: always copy and paste addresses to avoid any typos that could send your funds to the wrong place. Step 2. On Robinhood, go to your crypto section and locate your USDT wallet. Tap on it to reveal your deposit address. Make sure it's specifically for USDT on the Ethereum network or whichever blockchain Kraken is using for your transfer. Robinhood supports multiple chains, so match them up. Step 3. Back on Kraken, paste the Robinhood address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount you want to send, review the network fees, and hit confirm. You'll likely need to approve this via email or two-factor authentication for extra security. Once the transaction is initiated, it might take a few minutes to an hour to process, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Robinhood account to confirm the arrival of your USDT. If you run into any issues, like delays or errors, check the Blockchain Explorer for your transaction status. And there you have it. That's how you transfer Tether from Kraken to Robinhood in 2025. Remember, crypto markets can be volatile, so always stay informed and never transfer more than you're comfortable with. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.